Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the AT-LP60X on a stable, level surface and removing protective packing. Once done, fit the platter and slip mat, then attach the dust cover hinge if needed. Connect the RCA cable to either your amplifier's phono input or to a USB/phono preamp. If your system has a separate ground terminal, attach the ground wire to eliminate hum. Make sure the power cable is near an outlet and switch is off before proceeding to tone arm setup. Now you focus on the tone arm and cartridge because accurate tracking prevents damage and improves sound. First, unlock the arm and remove any cartridge sleeve. With the stylus guard still on, install the counterweight, then rotate it until the arm floats level. This gives you a neutral balance. Next, set the tracking force to Audio-Technica's recommended grams and adjust the anti-skate to match that force. Finally, practice using the Q lever so you can lower the stylus smoothly onto a record. Finish by choosing the correct speed and placing a record on the platter using the 45 adapter if needed. Power on and listen. If using USB, connect to your computer, open your recording or playback software, and select the AT-LP60X as the input device so you can capture or monitor sound. Make a few test plays and adjust volume, tracking force, or anti-skate as necessary. Troubleshooting tip. If you hear hum, first confirm ground connection and cable seating. If skipping, slightly increase tracking force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.